Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. Today, we will be focusing on solving equations with one variable. In this video, we will be solving the equation 4 times x plus 6 equals 18. Our goal is to isolate the variable x and determine its value. Let's get started with the step-by-step solution. To solve for the variable x in the equation 4x plus 6 equals 18, we start by isolating the term that contains x. First, we need to get rid of the constant term 6 on the left side of the equation. Since 6 is being added to 4x, we do the opposite operation to both sides. So we subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. This will help to isolate the term with x on one side of the equation. Subtracting 6 from the left side of the equation, 4x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, so we are left with just 4x. On the right side of the equation, 18 minus 6 equals 12. After performing this step, our equation is now 4x equals 12. This helps to simplify the problem by focusing only on the variable term. Next, we need to isolate the variable x completely by getting rid of the coefficient 4 that is attached to x. In the equation 4x equals 12, 4 is being multiplied by x. To undo this multiplication, we perform the opposite operation, which is division. We divide both sides of the equation by 4 to keep the equation balanced. On the left side, 4x divided by 4 simplifies to x. On the right side, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So, after dividing both sides by 4, we are left with x equals 3. This is the final step in solving for x in the equation 4x plus 6 equals 18. Therefore, the solution to the equation is x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.